What's up, dudes? Welcome back. We gotta get some winter tires, and then it's cold out and it's raining and it's nasty out and I can't walk around the car. So anyways, I gotta go get winter tires that were put on rims for Jesse's car, her daily, not a cool car. Sorry, sweetie. And I gotta go grab summer tires for my 8.6 so that I can put the winter tires on those rims, because those rims are ugly, so why not burn them in the salt? Anyways, taking the truck. I'm just gonna leave the camera here and stuff because it's rainy, it's nasty. I don't wanna get it all wet, screwed up. I will catch up to you guys soon. I'll be back. And I'm back. My wheels. And Jesse's wheels. I don't like winter, never have. Probably never will unless I quit my damn job, because my job depends on the weather, and when it gets bad out, I'm working crazy hours. That's not cool. So like, I'll never snowboard, ski, get a skidoo. I suck at skating. Before the snow comes, which apparently is gonna be very soon, by the time you're watching this, it probably already happened. I gotta put my mags on that car so I can take the stock wheels off and get the studded tires put on those. I tried studded tires years ago. I swear by studded tires now. When it comes to winter driving around here, studded tires is the way to go. So I got those wheels back on now, as you saw, can see, whatever. Had to put the center ring, you know what I mean, the ring to line it up. I put that in, torque them down real good, so it should be okay. Now I'm gonna bring the wheels to get put on. So when it comes to winter tires, I live by this right here. It's not very light in here, so I don't know if you can see that, but I run studded tires in the winter and I absolutely love it. I used to run them on my old 2004 Colorado, and ever since then I'll never go back. That truck didn't have any safety features. It didn't have functioning airbags. It didn't have any sort of traction control, and it definitely did not have ABS. But you know what? Those studded tires did everything I wanted to. I actually felt like I was stopping even better without the ABS. So from now on, studded tires. This 8.6, well, it's got crazy good traction control, really good ABS and all that kind of stuff. But this year, I think I'm gonna get used to full-time driving with zero traction control, because that's how you learn. And that was the whole idea behind buying this car. If I had to get something brand new, run every day, all year round, it was gonna be something I liked, something rear-wheel drive with a manual transmission, so I could really practice what I love to do most. You can't learn technique in a day. Now I'm off to bring those tires to get put on the stock rims. And I really don't think that I'll get back on that before tomorrow, because that garage is super booked and I'm gonna have nothing to work with. I'll get back to you probably tomorrow when I get the wheels back. Wish me luck. So it's a few days later, but I have my winter tires. And it's a good thing too, because this morning, before I went to work, I came out to this. That's right, the drift wheels that I put on the car just to get it on the ground. One of them had a massive leak in it apparently, and overnight it emptied out. It'll be just about ready for winter. So while I have my little helper here, might as well change some tires, I guess, right? I'm just gonna do it outside because it's not that cold today. We'll take advantage of the nice. Let's get on it. One leaky tire. No messing around. Winter tires are on. I'm ready for snow. Just gonna throw a little torque at it, make sure everything settles down, make sure everything's sitting properly. Factory recommendation for the FRS, BRZ, all that crap. They say it's 75 pounds. I put mine at 80 just to be different. Been lucky in the last few years I haven't had any wheels fall off. So for the second year on the same set of tires, I'm running with studs because I had studded tires on a truck once. I will never go back to your conventional, straight up, just rubber tire. I don't know, something about it that I really like. I am not a fan of any sort of driving assist. So like I was saying, my old truck had no ABS, no traction control, no nothing. But it's great. I loved it. It handled exactly how I wanted. It did everything I wanted. Because I personally, I think that ABS is bullshit. This is the only car I own that it actually works on. Needless to say. The 240 had it. That's gone. That was ripped right out because, well, you saw that chassis. It's just a race car. The RX-7 had it. Now we'll figure out what the hell's wrong with this tire. Because it's leaking slow. I'm gonna just fill it up with air, spray some soap on it, see if I find bubbles. And besides that, the 8.6 is pretty much winter ready. So bring on the snow, Mother Nature. Just kidding, I don't like snow. And done. 2 stickers. Calculated snow resistance and the wind force versus 10 horsepower, 5 at least. So first, let's try to fill it up with air, see if we can hear any leaks, because that'll be the first telltale sign that something's wrong. I'm actually hoping that it's like a hole, like a nail or something in it. So that's easier to fix than if it's leaking from the rim. Because if it's leaking from the rim, then I'm gonna have to bring it back and get it mounted again. So if it's simply a hole in it, I can fix that. Put about 35, 40 pounds in it. Okay, so I straight up stole this from the house. I'm not sure what it is, but get a little spray down, see if we can find anything wrong with the tire. Give it a little spray. I don't see any bubbles coming on this side. You guys see any bubbles forming? I don't. There's the problem. That's what's wrong with that tire. It's kind of in a weird spot. I don't know if I could patch that. Pretty cracked up on the sidewall. I got these tires used for free for drifting, so I didn't know. We got leaks here. Leaks here, here. So there's 3, 4. Is that a 5th? Yeah, look at that. There's air coming out there. Back of the tire's okay. But, yep, tire's done. Next, before it goes on the 240, because that's where these wheels are actually gonna go, I'm gonna have to fix that. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for following along. Like always, hit that share button, hit the subscribe button, follow along. So peace out and stay happy.